5 Best Car Refrigerators. Here is the product number 5. Car Refrigerator Freezer 2-Type Electrical. These days, cars are playing an increasingly important role in our daily life. Sometimes, we will spend a large part of the day staying in cars. Furthermore, some people like having a long package journey and sleeping in the car. Therefore, how to game food and store them will be a part and parcel of what who's have to face. The car refrigerator will be a good choice for them. They can enjoy the delicious meal and see the splendid scenery along the road at the same time. Features: cooler. The device can be used as a cooler and the inner temperature is 19°C lower than the surrounding temperature. Here is the product number 4. GBT 3008 7.5 liters Mini Car Refrigerator. Dual Mode Temperature Control. Equipped with refrigeration and heating functions, the temperature of the food can be controlled at any time to meet your needs. Larger capacity. Designed with small size but large capacity, 7.5 liters large capacity, you do not have to worry about the space to store your stuff. Thickened inner bladder. With the thickened inner bladder, our GBT 3008 vehicular refrigerator is safe, hygienic, and odorless, which allows you to use it freely. Here is the product number 3. Portable 12-volt 6 liters Autocar Mini Fridge Travel Refrigerator. Quality. Designed for refrigerating or keeping food warm. A portable capacity of 6 liters. Can also be used to keep beverages warm. Easy to carry with. 100% brand new. Door opens up. Installation: freestanding. Main color, white. Capacity: 6 liters. Net weight, about 1.6 kilograms. GW, about 2.1 kilograms. Size, about 17 centimeters. L plus 31.2 centimeters. W plus 26.2 centimeters. H. Here is the product number 2. Mini 7.5 liters Car Fridge Portable 12 volts Auto Cooler Freezer. A perfect item for family road trips or anyone who spends a lot of time driving and gets hungry and thirsty on the road. Environmental protection without fluorine pollution, small volume, lightweight, long service life. Quiet motor and fan circulate air for even cooling, heating, 2-in-1 cool and warm use. Uses 12 volts power to cool or warm drinks and food. Here is the product number 1. Universal Car Plug Heated Lunchbox. Material: food grade high quality PP material. Voltage: 12 volts. Color: red, blue. For the number 12. Size: about 23 times 16.5 10 centimeters, 9.06 times 6.50 3.94 inches. Maximum power: 40 watts. Exquisite design, stylish appearance. Unique heating design: the temperature is more uniform, meals more soft. The exhaust lid must be opened before the heating. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.